Welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Dancehall artist Busy Signal's newly released album Parts of the Puzzle debuted on the Billboard Reggae Albums chart in the #2 spot. The project marks the 5th album from the DJ and is the highest entry for the artist, who makes the list for the 3rd time. The album features hit tracks including Stay So, One Way, Dollar Van, and Got to Tell You. Busy Signal previously appeared on the chart with his 2010 D.O.B., which stalled at number 12, and then again in 2012 for Reggae Music Again, which peaked at number 5. Parts of the Puzzle, released via VP Records, has first week sales of 278 copies. Parts of the Puzzle, released by VP Records, has first week sales of 278 copies. The album features collaborations with Josie Wales, Bounty Killer, and Afro B.
One more. Must make it by Judge of Grace.
Now, reggae artist Linton Fire has released his 18th studio album dubbed Longest Liver. The album consists of 13 singles with features from Bounty Killer and Johnny Live. Longest Liver, which is produced by Lock the City Music, is distributed by Zojak Worldwide, features songs like Don't Put Your Trust, Now Yield Them, Please, and Street Side Ghetto. Linton Fire scored big with the hit single Fake Friends, which racked up over 1 million views on YouTube. During the summer, the Bossman singer performed on a number of shows and festivals, including Reggae Jam Festival and the Sunrise Reggae and Ska Festival in Germany, as well as the Summer Vibrations Reggae Festival. Now, dancehall artist Popcorn has teamed up with British rapper Fredo and Canadian rapper Tory Lanez on a track titled 2 Cups. The video for the track has already picked up over 1 million views on YouTube. The video for 2 Cups depicts warm Caribbean party scenes. The song also borrows an iconic line from Richie Loop's classic dancehall track, My Cup. The track debuted on the British pop chart in the number 55 spot. Popcorn is no stranger to the British market, as back in 2014, his Kisses for Breakfast collaboration with Melissa Steele peaked at number 10 on the pop chart. He also charted with rapper Young Thug on the song I Know There's Gonna Be Good Times back in 2015. Popcorn is gearing up for the anticipated Unruly Fest, which is slated for December 21. American rapper Kevin Gates has released his 2nd album titled I'm Him. The album features songs like Icebox, By My Lonely, Bags, Facts, Face Down, Push It, among others. I'm Him is the follow-up to his 2016 debut album that was released by Breadwinners Association and Atlantic Records. Kevin Gates also released an official music video for the track RBS Intro, the first track that is featured on the album. I'm Him also debuted at the number 1 spot on the Billboard Hip Hop chart. The rapper also kicked off his supporting album tour on October 12 in Chicago that will end on November 30. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedran. Thank you for watching.